Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. The first one we need to check is you have the last software version. So open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Just give a second to this application, this one. Right here you need to click these three lines at the left top, and here it is, upgrade firmware. Firmware is the same as software. Click on it and check for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, just install a new one. Right here at the bottom you will see a button download, you just tap on it and it will install update for you. Now, the second one is to place your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. The battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update after 15 seconds, so you need to wait about 15 seconds. And then, after 15 seconds, you just remove it, open the charging case and check is it fix your problem. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!